So for Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro, I'm proud to announce we start from 128 GB only, even with the basic variant. As usual, each of our number series attempts to bring many more innovations to the users. Compared to the Realme 7, the Realme 8 is slimmer and lighter with the new gorgeous infinite bold designs. It comes with a Super AMOLED screen with the most preferred in-display fingerprint sensor. Multiple flaunting camera features like tilt shift photography available on expensive DSLR only, and the new Starry mode, and the seamless Realme UI 2.0 out of the box. It also features 30-watt dart flash charge and a massive 5000 mAh battery with a powerful MediaTek Helios G95 gaming processor. It will come with three variants: 4 GB plus 128 GB, 6 GB plus 128 GB variant, and 8 GB plus 128 GB variant in two different colors, Cyber Silver and Cyber Black. The Realme 8 4 GB plus 128 GB variant is priced at rupees 14,999 only. 6 GB 128 GB variant is priced at rupees 15,999, and the 8 GB 128 GB variant is priced at rupees 16,999. First sale starts at 12 noon on 25th March and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and stores nearby you. Now, it's time for Realme 8 Pro. In comparison to Realme 7 Pro, the Realme 8 Pro is much slimmer, lighter with the eye-catching unique infinite starry design. Realme's first 108 megapixel camera with multiple. Realme 8 Pro comes in two different variants, 6 GB plus 128 GB and 8 GB plus 128 GB variant, in two gorgeous colors, infinite black and infinite blue. So how much should we price it in a most democratized way? Well, the Realme 8 Pro 6 GB plus 128 GB variant is priced at rupees 17,999 only. 8 GB plus 128 GB variant is priced at rupees 19,999 only. Again, for those who hate to wait, first sale will start tomorrow itself at 12 noon within 24 hours and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and stores near you. I am also glad to announce that we'll also have the limited edition for the Realme 8 Pro, the illuminating yellow.